Pwede pala mag-request ng immediate tab offsetting sa Pag-ibig MPL balance ko. Alamin. Disclaimer friends, ang video content natin ay hindi personal opinion but based from research sa website ni Pag-ibig Fan. So ito na po yung sagot. Pwede po mag-request ng immediate tab offsetting sa Pag-ibig MPL or STL balance mo for the following reasons. Number one, total disability or insanity. Simple said, ma-disable tayo totally. For example, dalawang paa, ma-disable tayo, hindi tayo makalakad na kasi injured yung dalawang paa natin, naputulan tayo, dalawang kamay, naputulan tayo, that is considered total disability. Pwede po yan. Grounds po yan for immediate tab offsetting sa Pag-ibig MPL or STL balance mo. Of course, insanity, yung may problema tayo sa pag-iisip. Ayan. Number two, separation from service by reason of health. Pwede po yan, no? So may sakit tayo and then natanggal tayo sa trabaho. Number three, critical illness. Critical illness po sa member or immediate family member. Yung may parents tayo na may critical illness, mama or papa, siblings, kapatid, brother or sister, or any immediate family member like anak. So ano yung mga example ng mga critical illness? Cancer, stroke, organ failure, heart-related illness, and neuromuscular illness. So kailangan may provision tayo, no? Or mag-provide tayo ng medical certificate from a doctor. So yan, hanapan tayo ni Pag-ibig niyan. If mag-avail kayo ng critical illness na grounds for immediate tab offsetting. And number four, death of your immediate family member. So namatay yung immediate family member mo. Number five, unemployment due to layoff and or closure of company. Pwede pala, no, mag-apply tayo ng immediate tab offsetting kung natanggal tayo sa trabaho due to layoff or pagsarado ng company. Number six, repatriation from your host country. Yung OFW tayo, pinaalis tayo sa country na tinatrabahuan po natin. And number seven, other reasons acceptable by Pag-ibig Fan. Ayan po. So punta kayo agad sa Pag-ibig Fan, may i-fill out kayo na form, letter request for the immediate offsetting of short-term loan balance. Ayan po, magiging kayo yan sa front line and then fill out po ninyo. And of course, may perma kayo sa form na yan. So once submitted yung form, immediately i-process agad yan ni Pag-ibig Fan. So ang pagkaalam natin, 20 working days po yung processing time nila. So within 20 working days, may check-in na po kayo. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.